Self-care has become one of my favorite things to do. So today I'm going to show you some of my self-care rituals. Once upon a time, coffee was my entire life. I could not do anything without it. I lived, breathed, and slept coffee. But after I filmed this video, I actually decided to take coffee out of my routine because I noticed that it was causing so much anxiety in my morning. I think I'm gonna switch over to making healthy drinks and smoothies in the morning. I need a little bit more energy than coffee gives me. So once I figure all of that out, I'll show you guys in the next video. So now we're moving on to nails. I have this foot tub that I bought from Amazon. All products will be linked below. And I also have all of these nail tools. So if you don't know, I do my own nails at home. I wear press-ons on both my toes and my fingernails, and I literally enjoy doing my toes and my fingers by myself at home with all of my clean products so much. It is super therapeutic, and honestly, it is like the best experience. When I used to go to the nail salons, it was such a headache, waiting your turn and not getting what you really want, and just honestly just paying the money in general, and also them using disgusting products that you don't know where it's been, who it was used on. I decided to take the initiative to do my own toes at home, and I absolutely love it. I love wearing press-on toenails because they stay on for as long as an acrylic toenail would stay on. So here I am just putting in some soap, and I'm just soaking my feet, and then here I'm just cleaning my toenails like how they would do at the nail salon. I also have a drill, and I'm making sure I'm taking off any extra cuticle and any extra oils, and here is the end result. Yes, these are press-ons, okay? Tap in, girls, tap in right now. My skin has been looking so dry and patchy and just not like my regular skin. So today I'm deciding to go get a facial. At first, I thought I wanted to wear a low pony, but because I am currently wearing a lace wig, I said, you know what? I'm gonna wear a headband so that my hair doesn't get messed up while I'm doing my facial. So I opted out to do my hair down with a headband. This headband you could just get at Walgreens, Walmart, Target, anywhere. And then I'm just putting on this Hydro Melt Lip Mask, and honestly, it's just like a lip balm, and then I'm getting dressed. So today I'm wearing this tracksuit that I got from Amazon. Honestly, I bought it just for this reason, to wear a sports bra under it and to make quick runs, get some skincare products, or do my hair. And I'm wearing my trainers from Chanel. I absolutely love these sneakers so much. Honestly, these ones are cooked, so it's time to get new ones. I arrived at my facial appointment, and it was all Tatcha products. If you guys don't know, I actually only use, well, let me not say only, but my main skincare product that I use in my routine is Tatcha. So everything that she's using, I use at home. And honestly, this facial was so relaxing and amazing. I almost fell asleep. If you have never gotten a facial before, make sure you go get one. It is so worth it. They massage your neck, they clean your neck, and look at me, just relaxing. It was amazing. So after doing my facials, I decided to come home the next day and do my eyebrows. As you can see, they look so crazy. So I'm going to be laminating my brows. If you guys don't know what laminating is, it is basically like a perm for your brows. Yes, a perm. I usually get the brow laminations from Amazon, and it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. And it's super important that you actually take the step-by-step and not overdo it, because you can burn yourself. These are chemicals. So here I am applying step 1. I let that sit on for however long the box tells me to, and then once it's time to wipe off, look at that. Do you see how silky and straight that is? At this point in my life, it is actually really hard to do my brows without my brows being laminated, because they will not stay in place. My brows are like a 4B. And so now I'm gonna apply step 2. and this is basically to lock in the lamination, and I'm also going to let this sit for the amount of time that the box tells me to. And honestly, I love laminating my brows. If you go on Amazon and look up brow lamination kits, they have them for a really affordable price, and also that same exact kit can also laminate your lashes. I personally don't laminate my lashes because I always wear falsies, so I only do my brows. So here's the end results, and now I'm gonna go in and start grooming. I'm taking these small scissors and a spoolie, and I'm just cutting off and trimming the ends of my brows. Yeah, I've been doing this actual step and this method for years. I've gotten my brows done before, but most of all, I do my own brows. I've gotten my brows done years ago, and it's never really hit to me the way that I needed it to. So I really just learned how to do every single thing at home, including my nails, my hair, everything. So what I usually do is I brush my brow hairs up and trim the ends, and then I brush them down and trim the ends as well, so that it's basically all even. And I do that on both brows, of course. And as you can see, I'm doing it on the next brow. And, obviously one of my brows is always easier. This is my easier brow, even though it is not as full as the other brow. But this is my easier brow. So now I'm going to take some cocoa butter oil. This is the oil form, and I'm going to put this on my brows because I'm going to start shaving off the extra hair that I don't want there. I know some of you guys like to do threading and also waxing, but I just can't take the pain. And so I just do my own brows at home, and I use the little brow tools like these. I buy these by the pack on Amazon. I buy them in the store. And honestly, it is the best. And it's so funny because after I did my brows this time, I actually didn't like them. But now that I look back on camera, I was actually serving. This was actually the best one that I've done. So now I'm going to put some more oil on it and just spoolie it and brush it how I want it. And now it's time to move on to the skin. So not only do I have to remove the hair around my brows, but I also have to remove the hair around my skin, because if I don't, my makeup will snag on to the hairs on my skin, and my makeup just won't look good. So this is considered dermaplaning, but obviously professional dermaplanners, they use different tools. They don't use eyebrow razors. I'm using the eyebrow razor because I'm not a professional, and as you can see, I look so much brighter. Once you do this step, your skin is not gonna look dull anymore. And I'm just gonna apply my Nivea cream. You guys know this is my go-to, and honestly, this is my favorite. Honestly, every single part is my favorite step. Every single part goes along with each other. So as of lately, my hair has not been given. I swear it feels so damaged, and I swear it was from that one time when I was making that Kate Spade video and I had to wash and blow dry and flat iron my hair twice in one day. And so now I'm at a point where I'm like, okay, I actually have to fix this. I'm not going to be able to live with this. At first, I seen a little bit of damage at the end of my hair, and then it started to work its way up, and more up on the shaft of my hair. So today I said, you know what? I'm going to give myself a trim. So first things first, I'm obviously going to wash my hair, because who's going to trim their hair on dirty hair? Yuck. So I'm washing my hair. A lot of you guys are always surprised that I use Vo5. Vo5 is one of my favorite shampoos. It's one shampoo that really gets my hair clean. And so do you guys see this? Look at this damaged hair. You can see the difference between my roots and the ends of my hair. It is actually so crazy. And so my hair has been damaged before, and I've cut it all off before, and it has grown so much. And so now I'm at a point where I'm not afraid to cut it again, because I know it's going to grow back. And so I'm just giving myself a little trim. But then I realized, actually, all of this stuff just needs to come off. Just cut it off. And at first I was scared, but look at this. This is straight and then my roots are curly. I was like just shaking my head and I'm like, listen, screw it. Let's do it. Like, that's just how I felt. And so I just started cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting. And honestly, I'm not the person who is like super crazy about their hair and they're gonna cry, because I've done this process about twice before and my hair has grown back healthier every single time. And you guys know I have a lot of hair and it's super long. So you guys are gonna come on the journey with me of growing my hair back. And I'm really, really, really excited about it. I'm going to use this deep conditioning mask, and I've seen this on TikTok before, so I'm just kind of giving it out a try. And I'm going to just work this into my hair and then put on one of those like clear plastic caps. And I wanted to bring some heat to it, so I have bought this heated cap that you kind of have to plug up. And so I'm gonna do that while I work on my computer. And after this, I did wash the deep conditioner out, and I honestly just braided my hair back up and put a wig on. Honestly. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. This is most of the stuff that I do in my routine. And if you guys want to see more and more in depth, I can definitely show you that, because it is so much to it. So let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye. Mwah.